Imagine drifting through space when the darkest object in the universe appears dead ahead. Fall in, and you vanish forever. What would happen to your body? This is a black hole. Not a hole at all, but a place where gravity grew so strong that not even light can escape. Today, you're taking the ultimate one-way trip. We'll fall in together, step by step. And trust me, the final stage is the strangest of all. Our target sits at the center of the Milky Way, Sagittarius A star, a monster weighing as much as 4 million suns. It hides 26,000 light-years away, yet everything in our galaxy, including you, silently orbits it right now. As you drift closer, something impossible happens. The stars behind the black hole bend, smeared into glowing rings around a pit of pure black. That bending is gravity warping light itself. The black hole is literally distorting the picture of the universe behind it. Around its edge spins a blazing ring of superheated gas, the accretion disk, glowing hotter than the surface of any star. This gas spirals inward at nearly the speed of light, screaming with radiation before vanishing over the edge into total darkness. Ahead lies the point of no return, the event horizon. Cross it, and no force in existence can ever bring you back. But here's where it gets strange. Because of the black hole's gravity, time itself begins to slow the closer you fall. To someone watching from far away, you would appear to freeze, hovering at the edge, glowing red, slower and slower, forever. But from your view, nothing feels wrong. You keep falling normally toward the dark, with no idea time has bent around you. Whether you survive the next part depends entirely on one thing: the size of the black hole you chose to fall into. Fall into a small one, and gravity pulls your feet far harder than your head, stretching your body like a piece of spaghetti. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. You would be pulled into a thin stream of atoms long before reaching the center. But our monster, Sagittarius A star, is supermassive. Its pull is gentler at the edge, so you could cross the horizon still in one piece. For a few surreal seconds, you fall through a place no human has ever seen, and no light will ever leave to tell the tale. Behind you, the entire history of the universe speeds up. You might watch billions of years flash by in the sky above. Ahead waits the true mystery, the singularity, a point where everything we know about physics completely breaks down. Here, all the black hole's mass is crushed into a space smaller than an atom, with a density that may be infinite. Our equations simply stop working. Nobody truly knows what happens at the center. It is the deepest unknown in all of science. Some physicists wonder if the core hides a tunnel through space and time, a wormhole leading to another universe entirely. It is almost certainly just a beautiful dream. Everything we understand says the singularity is a dead end, and gravity wins. So realistically, your journey ends here, your matter added to the black hole, making this ancient giant just a little heavier. And the strangest part? Nothing is truly destroyed. Your information may be smeared across the horizon, a faint ghost of who you were. Back on Earth, none of this would ever be seen. The light of your final moment can never climb back out to us. Black holes aren't cosmic vacuum cleaners hunting victims. If our sun became one, Earth would keep orbiting calmly, just cold and dark. They are the strangest, most extreme places in existence, where space, time, and reality itself are pushed until they break. So, would you take the plunge? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed the journey, like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.